Hello guys, in my search for AI, I've actually found an AI that can turn a text to image that is better than MidJourney and Bluewillow. This will blow your mind. It's far better than MidJourney or any other promising AI text to image you can see out there. Join me as we test this out. Without wasting time, let's try out a simple font I've copied for a test. On the first font to copy, we're going to tell the AI to generate an Igbo poop for us. Oh, many of us need an Igbo poop. I know you don't need an Igbo poop. I need an Igbo poop. Let's see what the AI got for us. Okay, we'll paste our font and click on generate.
A few moments later.
Oshe, look at what we got here. Is this not looking amazing? This is looking crazy. This is totally astonishing. Believe me, you can do more with this AI. Crazy things you can imagine. Please, I beg you, try not to skip this video. Watch this video to the end. I have 2 bonuses on this video that I'm going to share today. So if you skip this video, you will skip those bonuses. Now that we have tried out our first prompt, let's try out another one. Let me introduce you to this platform. Now on this platform, if you check on your right hand side, you see an advanced options where you can change your settings. You can fix your preference like you changing the size of the image and size of what you're about to create. You can change from 1080p, 11 by 4, 8 by 4 by 8, whichever one that suits you. Now I copy the prompt, telling the AI to generate a Joe Biden, American president, picture for us with document in his office, and click on generate. Wow, Oshe, our picture is here. This is crazy. This is astonishing. This is beyond my imagination. You can actually make money with this by creating pictures, creating wallpapers, and designing frames with this. Go over to Fiverr and sign up an account and start making money generating pictures with AI today. Without wasting time, let's recreate this picture. Let's ask the AI to actually generate an image for us with P2B. So all you're going to do is you change the Joe Biden to P2B and see what we'll have. Yes, obedient, this is what we'll have here, this P2B. This is what an AI can do. AI can actually do crazy things. You will like this. Now, I promised the family that I'm going to share bonus on this video. This is another platform where it can actually do what we just did in a bigger way. And believe me, this is my favorite. I have a full package prompt I'm giving out for free. I've attached the link below on this channel. Please do well to go and download the prompt and use. If you can't write any prompt, you can actually use this and just change few things from it and make your creating ability run wild. Change a little from it and change what exactly you want the AI to create for you and click on generate. This prompt is totally free. 50% of this prompt was actually put together by 7-Figure Boss. Shout out to him. Now, back to the platform. I just copied one of my prompts to the AI, telling the AI to create a picture of a very handsome Igbo guy for us with suit. And click on, and we put our reference telling the AI not to give us a blurring image. Go over to the right hand side, set your preference, set the size of your image. It's very easy. You just have to move left or right to get actually the preference you want and choose what you want, and the AI is actually going to generate the same thing for you. Now we click on generate. Look at what we got. All you have to do is go through the images and click on the download button and download the image, or you can save as image your device. Let's still review one of our best prompts again. I just copied the prompt to the AI, telling the AI to generate a very hot fashion poop for us. Let's see how it works. We'll click on generate. Wow. Is this not crazy? You like what you see? This is actually crazy. This is mind-blowing. Believe me, This is open for you out there. Try it. Let your creativity run wild. Go to this AI and create anything you want to create. The prompt is always here for you for free. Try it out today and let me know what you got and the beautiful picture you are able to make on the comment box. Thank you very much. This is more reason why you need to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can get to be notified when next we post. You'll be the first to try it out. You'll be the first to cash out. You'll be the first to implement it. Ushe? That is what we do here for free. Like this video and save this video. Share it with your friends so they can also learn. Okay, still on the bonus. The final one is a mobile app for iOS device and Android. Go over to your Android store, your Play Store, or you go back to your Apple Store. Look for the app Imagine, which is showing here. This is the logo. Download the app and use the same prompt on the app. It actually works like mad. The same thing you can do here on this website, with the same thing you can do on the app. The app is actually good. I recommend that for you for creating any AI generated images, from text to images, from text to images. Believe me, this is crazy. You will thank me for this. Many of us are inquisitive to know what platform and what is the name of this platform. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you the moment we have all been waiting for. The name of this platform, which was the first one I mentioned, was Leap.ai, and the second one is Laska.art. The link is below this video. Make sure you go check this AI and tell me what you feel and what you think about them at the comment box. Make sure you drop your comments on the comment box. Let's talk about this. Thank you, family. See you on the next video.